Issue management means normally we identify like trends, emerging trends, concerns, issues which are likely to be happening in the few years, and developing the wide positive range of organizational response. So you are trying to manage the issues, for example like cancer, for example like sexual harassment, for example like work-life balances, or old age benefits, right? So old age homes, managing the old age homes. So these are different issues that companies may be managing nowadays. What is mostly in trend? What kind of issues are in trend now?
Insurance.
Accident.
Insurance is, yes, insurance is normal in Myanmar, but on a larger issue, public pollution, plastics,
Yeah, plastic. And then clean the environment.
clean the environment, save energy.
Yeah.
So these are normally nowadays is trending.
And then obviously the growing the plant.
Yeah, so green, protect the environment, right? Green, organic.
Yeah.
These are the latest issues that the companies are now trying to address. So issue management in the business is normally is activism of public interest. Companies are now saying cut the travel, cut the CO2 emission, to reduce CO2 emission. Why? Because they want to protect the ozone layer. So that is an issue now which companies are trying to address. So you can address the issue by saying, okay, we are also favor the reduce the CO2 emissions. This is what we are doing. We are reducing the air travel, we are reducing the freight, we are buying locally to reduce the shipping, fuel. So maybe company is doing, but if not communicating, people will not know, right? So you may want to create a plan where you are addressing the issues which are happening now or going to happen in the next 5 years, and then you are trying to create a plan, not only saying, also doing it, or whatever you are doing towards to maintain to support the issue, you are going to promote it, you are going to plan it, right? For example, like my hotel, we reduce the plastic bottle in our inlay hotels. So we change the process already. We reduce the plastic bottle, we introduce the aluminium and refillable. But our company did not issue any notice or any public advisory that, oh, we are actually now protecting the environment and we are doing this. So how the public will know, and what will be the benefit if public knows it? What will happen if we announce that we are protecting the environment by reducing the plastic usage in our hotels? What will be the effect if we announce? Will it improve our image, the hotel image? It will create some positive environment around us. People will say, oh, they are environmental friendly hotel. Let's go and stay there, right? So it will impact the business in a positive manner. But if we don't announce, nobody knows, so nothing will happen, right? Yeah, nothing. Nobody will know. So it's need to know. We need to. Normally, the companies are addressing these issues through the communications to tackle them before any public policies are coming out. So you are already trying to issue them. Okay. For example, like Amazon. Amazon is also a case study where you have read is in your case study, where the peoples are collating together. It's also a public issue actually against them, that they are manipulating the prices of their system to prevent the physical books from selling, and selling mostly on the Kindle, and they are arm twisting the publishers to reduce the prices. Why they are doing it? They are doing it for their customers. So if the Amazon is not doing any communication, they will get stuck, right? People will feel bad. But if their communication is their CEO is continuing to communicate, we are protecting our customers' interest, and we will do it at any cost, any possible cost. So that way they are able to manage the issue effectively. Okay.